This video shows you how to install the optional 2000 sheet tray on your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box, and then remove the optional 2000 sheet tray. Unpack the tray. Unpack the docking bracket. Remove the leveling screw from the left side of the printer. Attach the docking bracket to the printer. Install the optional tray. Remove the screw at the bottom of the optional tray. Turn the leveling screws clockwise to make sure that the tray has the same height as the printer. Connect the tray cable to the printer. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.